Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Calendly for beginners. So the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our website, and then using the search bar at the top, just type out Calendly. Okay, so let me just type out Calendly and then click on enter. And then right here, you'd be able to see this first website. So I just have to click on this one. And you'd be directed to the Calendly page. Next, before we log in or create an account, let's talk about the pricing first. So when you go to the pricing section, right here, we have the free. So for individuals starting out with basic scheduling, so here we have these features for free. And for standard, for those with more sophisticated scheduling needs, so this one is $10 per month, and then including the free features plus and all of these features. Okay, so the next one is teams. So for teams who read advanced features such as reporting, meeting, distribution, and automations. So this one is for $16 per month, and then all of the standard features and this features right here. For the last one is the enterprise. So for teams who need more security, admin control, support, and enterprise grade procurement. So this one is $15,000, and then you have to talk to sales to avail this plan. Okay, so now that we're good to go, we just have to click on get started. So this one at the top right. Okay, and then here we have the sign up for our Calendly account. So we can type out right here our email, or you can also sign up with Microsoft or sign up with Google. So for me, I'm just going to sign up with Google. And then select your Google account and click on continue. And then right here, make sure to check this box and click on continue. And you'd be directed to this page. Now, how do you plan on using Calendly? If it is on your own or with your team, and click on continue. Now right here, what kind of work do you do? So choose the one that's closest to your day-to-day rule, and then they'll use this to personalize your experience. So we have your finance, sales, marketing, and more. And then after that, just click on continue and wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then right here, you'd be directed to the event types. So before we are going to start creating an event, we are going to check our profile first. Right here at the left side, we have this settings as well. So to check our profile, just click on your profile right here at the top right. And then click on profile. So here we have branding, your link, calendar sync, and we also have the all settings if you want to explore this one. So here I'm just going to click on profile, and right here we are going to upload our picture. So to upload the picture, just click on upload picture. And of course, if you wish to change your name, so just go here and then type out your name. And for the welcome message, of course, for example, by default, this is a scheduling page, and then please follow the instructions to add an event to my calendar. Next is for the language, you just have to select English. Okay, so now let us try to create an event. So to create an event, what you're going to do is to simply click on this plus new event type. That's right. And the next one here, you just have to choose your event type. So we have one-on-one, group, collective, and round robin. So for this one, I'm just going to create one-on-one. Then here, choose a host. Then click on next. That's right. And then right here is we are going to create an event name. And then if this one is for emergency, then we can change the color to red. So it will depend on your interpretation to the colors. Here we have the duration, so I think 45 minutes is enough. And then for the location, we have Zoom, phone call, in person, or you can also click on all options. So I'll try Zoom. So my Zoom is not connected, so I'll switch to Google Meeting. Okay, so just click on all options and click on Google Meeting. After that, just have to click on continue. The next one is we are going to customize the schedule. So here we have host and invitees. So I'm going to click on scheduling settings. Okay, so this one. Then right here, we have to type out our date range. So invitees can schedule. Okay, so 30 days. So here this is the calendar days. The next one, if you wish to choose within a date range. So if you're going to do that, just click on the box. Right here, just have to select a specific date range. For example, from November 10 to November 31 only, and then click on apply. Next is the hours and calendar settings. So here, just click on this one, set times. Here, set times that the people be able to schedule these types of meetings with you. So for weekly hours, we have 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. 5 p.m. Here, you can also edit the working hour schedule. Just have to click on OK. Okay, the next one is for the additional availability settings. If you want to explore those settings, just click on it. And after saving, let us proceed to the event limits. So we have here the buffer time. So before an event, how many minutes do you wish to add here? I think 10 minutes would do. For the after event is 5 minutes only. You can add a time before and after book Calendly events. So that's the purpose of the buffer time. Next is the maximum notice. Okay, so we have here 5 hours. And then for the daily limits, event max per day is of course 5 would be enough. Okay, so we don't want to be overworked. Next is just click on save and continue. And here we also have booking page options and notifications and workflows. So after that, just have to click on done. And you'll be able to see here now the events that you have created under the event type. So when you click on view, this is how it's going to look like when someone is going to book a meeting with you. Okay, so you'll be able to see here the available dates. Okay, so when they click on a specific date, they'd be able to select here a time. So after that, they'd be able to book a meeting with you. So what you're going to do is to copy the link and then send it to your invitees. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.